We got our ugly, ugly character here. This guy's going to be a problem. Okay. He's coming at me. This is the attack that I was missing yesterday. Okay, we'll get our timing down. Come on. I knew I shouldn't have drank there. And I should roll that the other way, but this is cool. Phase 2, I'm gonna get hit. Guys, there's so many freaking things to do here. Whoa. Okay, blew that. And blew that too. I can avoid it how? We have an attempt counter here, folks. I gotta do the embarrassing. So this guy's dying tonight, guys. This guy dies tonight. I got the feeling. I got a feeling deep inside. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's do this again. Only better. That should hit because I ran a little bit far forward. Oh, the embarrassing button. That's my hot drop counter, folks, from when I do 100 hot drops in Warzone. Every time there's a new game drops or a new map or something. Okay, guys, same thing. Only better. Come to me. That was early. I'll get the timing, guys. It's been a minute. Okay. That wasn't like a botched pull. That was too early. Not coming. I'm gonna go for 3 here. Although I shouldn't. So all 3 can hit. I'm not close enough and I'm not rolling in enough. And I panic rolled that. Now I'm panicking to get away. Still way better, and we almost had phase 2. So jump that. Up close you can jump. Oh, I forgot to do my last embarrassing number 2. And believe me, I am proud of that number. You think, hey, the number's going up. Yeah, that's not good. I think that was perfect. Dude, how do you freaking miss that one? That was probably unlucky or stupid. I'm lucky. I got lucky there too. Phase 2, baby. Was that no hit? No. Did I drink? Yeah, I drank once. This is it, guys. I should have rune arced. No, I shouldn't have rune arced. We gotta get good at Horlu, and we gotta keep those consistent phase 1s so we can get better Horlu.
Did me good service.
Woo! Let's go, baby.
Sirrah.
Why would I do that? I gotta double jump those. No! No! Get him! Get him! Hey! Oh my god, guys. I never believed I could do that. You know what I always say, guys? Easy phase 1, easy phase 2. You know what I'm saying? Man, if you want to see more of this stuff, just do all these little buttons, man. Like, follow, comment, subscribe, and you'll get more. Love you guys. Thank you. Yeah, thanks for being here, man. If you guys like what you see, like, follow, comment, subscribe. Press every button you can find. Press the buttons, folks. Press the button so the kitten gets it.